pissed you off now that we were talking shit?
No.
Why the heck am I still carrying this goddamn Puma jacket? We're limited on space.
It's memories, bro.
What's Ben do? Puma jacket.
They said it, baby.
Back vlogging, bro?
Yeah.
Vlog. I don't know what day it is, but this is another vlog of. Is this our third one? I don't know what it is, but it's another day of vlogging. Today, it's getting busy. Lots of people. It's been nice and quiet down here. Now we can't even park where we want to park. That's our turf, man. We've been here first, but gonna go run from race mile 30. So Ojos to K77, which is race mile 60. Then from 60 all the way to race mile 170, which takes us up and over the summit through beautiful San Felipe, the whoops. Yeah. So we're probably gonna have to get pretty racy out there. There's so many people, so we'll see who we run into there. All the big teams are here now. It's always scary. Trophy trucks and stuff are gonna start coming up on us. The old Pro R goes pretty quick, but not trophy truck speeds. So yeah, that's what we have forward to look for. That's what our day entails. Dealing with business, race week. So yeah, it's officially race week, so stuff's starting to fall apart already.
I'ma break the law, then I'ma break the bank. I'ma put some in the safe, then I'ma throw some on the floor. Definitely make some more. 20 dates, had to go back on tour. She can see how I'm flexing, count my blessings, praise the Lord. You know the steez, super grease. Nothing nice, tell the promoter bring the peas. Still ain't safe, I'm in the party with my G's.
I didn't think you were gonna get that wet. He's pissed.
Ben's all, it's a small creek crossing, dude. You won't even get a drop on you as it's pouring down. Look at the poor car, bro. It better look sick.
Dude, this thing's is soaked. Oh God.
You're telling me.
Yeah, that's my bad, bro. What are you looking at, bro? Trail mix, emergency, breakfast of champions.
Anybody? I'm sorry.
No bananas for me. So I honestly hate bananas.
Really?
When I raced mountain bikes, I used to have to eat 4 a day. And I just hated it. I've never seen anyone eat the skin before. It's freaking me out a little bit.
How's it taste?
Weird. I like mangoes too.
I mean that
The skin?
yeah.
Huh. Yeah. Mango day.
Dude, I don't think you're supposed to eat the mango with the skin on it.
I don't think you're supposed to either. Why'd you say that? Yeah, that I could then. Why are you like, yeah, everyone eats some of the skin, bro?
Because I wanted to see you eat it.
What the
exactly.
heck?
We all laughed. Dude, I thought you can. I couldn't believe you still were eating it when we were all laughing.
Wait, you're joking too? Yeah, we got you, Ben.
Oh,
I'm confused.
Oh!
Shit, howdy, dude. That was some good stuff. Let's roll. Over the summit. Whoops.
Woo!
More whoops.
Yep.
Yeah, helping out the people. They need gasoline. About 10 miles too short. We gotta do that shock too.
How you feeling, Chris?
Good. Just hot. Cruising. Yeah.
Nice.
Lots of whoops. Blew out a shock. Gave someone gas. Doing it all again. Dude, that thing blew out at the worst time in a silt bed. That's why this thing, it's just like coated back here. So Hector just fixed her all up while we got some food and some Topo Chico. But yeah, so back on the road now, thanks to Hector. Got freshy shock, thanks to Mike Kim, because he brought an extra set of shocks for me. So this was a quick fix. But yeah, now we're gonna go run to Borrego. This stuff is, ugh. But actually, there's a fun section. Actually, in the Razor is in the truck, there's a fun section here for a little. But then Borrego sucks even in a truck. It's just like cross grain, whooped out, rocky. And in the Razor, and in the truck, you're so yeah, that's all.
Tired?
Dude, you sound tired. You're huffing and puffing.
We ran here, bro.
I saw you over there. I almost blew that corner just to scare you a little.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I'm not afraid of anything though.
Yeah.
Why are you laughing, bro?
Because I've gotten close to you in the truck and I can see it in your eyes going, I'm dying right now. But yeah, that's a wrap for the day. Oh, and let this car go by. Just gonna ruin my shot. Yeah, that's a wrap. Pretty good day. What did we run? Race mile 30 to 250-ish. So 220 miles. Did a lot of hunting today. A lot of hunting. Lines are starting to form. I'm starting to feel like I can look at some more lines without having everyone see them. So yeah, no, it's good. Should be interesting on race day. This place is fast. It's fast. And the Razor, some of these whoops are a little choppy, but overall, I mean, we were just doing 50 through some big whoops. It's pretty impressive what these Pro Rs do. Straight out of the box. I was going, holy cow. But yeah, that's a wrap on the day.
Woo!
Woo! Friggin' the hype, bro.